AutoCAD 2014 offers improved access to online help, particularly when using proxy servers. This new tool is called SecureLoad. AutoCAD now provides new controls to enhance software security, and it helps you to prevent loading and running of unauthorized or even potentially malicious AutoLisp or VBA applications. Type in Options on the command line, and you go to the Files tab. It's the first tab on the left. You go right here to your trusted locations, and if you expand it out, you can add your folder here. So anything that you add to this folder, AutoCAD will automatically trust and load. So if you have a library of Lisp routines or VBA script files or something like that that you want to use that are being downloaded, you want to put them in that folder, or you want to make sure that folder is added here. Now, to add that, you just click here, so you'll get this little blue box, and click on the Browse button. And then browse to that folder, click OK, and it will be added. Now, if you ever change your mind and want to remove it, select the folder here, and then click the Remove button, and that will take it out. You can also access these controls using the new Trusted Paths and Trusted Domains system variables. You can also allow executable files to be loaded from all search paths, or only from trusted locations specified on the Files tab. And you can choose to display a warning before loading executable files outside these trusted locations. That way, if you miss something and you know it's okay, you can still use that. These options are applied to the new SecureLoad system variable. And you get to these controls by going to the System tab. And then you come down here to the bottom, and it says Security, and it's the executable file settings. Click that, you have your options here. As it says here, that these settings restrict the locations from where executable files are loaded. It helps you protect yourself from malicious code in these types of files. So you can change your SecureLoad settings here. You have three main options. This is to choose the method to auto-load executable files. So you can load them from all locations without any warning. That really means no security, and it will just work the way AutoCAD has always worked. Just tell it to load it. Or you can click here, which is the default setting, to load from the trusted locations and to display a warning for other locations, and that will happen from time to time. Or you can really lock it down here and say only load things from trusted locations, and that's fine. And you can also choose the automatic loading functionality here of the AutoCAD LSP file. Now that's something that's been built into AutoCAD for a very long time. You have this setting here, and this is just another place for it to be changed. Now, the AutoCAD LSP file will load certain things for you automatically, and it always has done this. This just gives you a place to control when that file is going to load. Is it going to load at the start of every session, meaning right when you turn on AutoCAD and then no other time, or when you open up each drawing? It's up to you. But this is just another little tool that Autodesk has put into AutoCAD to help keep things more secure, especially now with our Exchange apps, which has been a secure place to work and to download files. And if you're looking for something, I suggest you look there because you know that it is going to be safe because Autodesk does approve all of these routines. This might be a tool that you want to consider using to help protect yourself.